Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a legal platform that hosts golden time and signing in. Do this now so you don't lose momentum. Once logged in, select Episode 1 and set subtitles or dub according to your preference, because comprehension shapes enjoyment. Make sure your device is connected to a reliable network. Test a short clip to confirm buffer-free playback. If captions look off, switch fonts or size before continuing, and prepare to skip intros for a continuous watch. Once done with account setup, optimize playback. Choose auto resolution or set 720p/1080p based on your connection so episodes play smoothly. Position your screen at eye level and dim ambient lights to reduce glare. These small changes keep you comfortable for multiple episodes. Make a playlist or enable sequential playback so episodes queue automatically, and toggle chapter markers to revisit key scenes. If dialogue is quiet, you finish by pacing yourself. Pause between episodes, stretch, and jot quick notes on characters or plot points to deepen memory. If playback stalls, clear the app cache, restart the app, or switch browsers. These steps resolve most streaming hiccups. Make sure to relog in or update the app if issues persist, and report missing or out-of-order episodes to support with episode numbers and timestamps. Finally, resume from your last watched point and enjoy the next installment smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.